Hello, everyone, and good morning.
Good morning, Vikas. Good to have you back.
Good morning, Ilio. Good morning, Amit, Amya, Ashwatan, Ganesh, and good morning, everyone. Guys, good morning. What
Morning,
about
Batch.
others? Cool. Thank you. Yeah. What is the agenda for today? Why we are here? What we are doing in the morning 8 a.m.?
GIT starting DevOps today.
Yes, we have to start a DevOps part today. Correct. Absolutely agree. I hope some people are already aware about what exactly the DevOps is, right? That's why we are here, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. What's the time? Full black. Full lights.
9:32.
9:30. Okay, cool. No worries. Guys, this is the day one. Yep, this is the day one for our DevOps. Okay. Let's come here. Let's see the syllabus first. Okay. And as soon
Because
yep.
DevOps definition is on your t-shirt, I think.
Yes, definitely. It's on my t-shirt. Yes. That's why I wear this t-shirt today. The intention, that's the intention. Okay. Good. Let's come here.
Good.
Okay. And let's come to the syllabus. Okay. Guys, whoever don't have the syllabus, let me give this link to you guys. Okay. Bookmark it. Please bookmark it because we are going to follow this in the next 55 days sessions. Okay. Cool. And till now, we have already completed the cloud part, and the DevOps part is going to be get started from today onwards. Okay. And if you will see here in the DevOps, first, we have to understand what exactly the version control is. We have to understand Git, GitHub, how Git works, and so many things. And guys, this we are learning because in the DevOps, there is a part of development as well. This is the development part, which we have to understand. Getting my point? Yes, getting my point? Yes or no? In the DevOps, if you will see the keyword DevOps, there is a development keyword is also available. There is a development keyword. What we have to do into the development, this is the thing which we are learning in the next 2-3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 10 days. Okay, this is the development part which will come into our DevOps life. Cool. Can I get okay in the chat box? Yes or no? Cool. Thank you. Okay. Now I'm opening that slide. Okay. And as you all know, this batch is started on 20th of November. Okay. Means 1 month ago. And in the 1 month, we have already covered up some part, but today we are here. And from here, we are starting because, and I'm ready. I know that you will feel that you are missing some part. No need to worry. You will able to understand because this is a separate part. Our course is divided into 2 parts. Cloud and DevOps. Cloud part is already completed and DevOps part is going to be get started from today. Cool. Okay. And as you are missing that, so I'm allowing you to come into the next batch also free of cost. No need to worry. Cool. Now, what is written here? Learn Git and GitHub and be a part of the development activity as a developer. Means in the next 1 week, you will become a developer. Okay, means development related activities we will learn. Instead of writing the code, everything we will understand and we will learn it. And you will be a part of the developer. Now, I hope you are able to see this image and you are still get confused or sometimes you may feel that because is this Git tool will work with different other tools as well? Yes, Git tool will work with different cloud repositories as well, possible. So if I will ask only the question with you, what is Git and GitHub? How many people knows the difference? Or can you speak up the difference, please? What exactly the Git is or what exactly the GitHub is? Go ahead. Try.
Source control management.
Version control management, source control management tool, that is Git. Okay, has to be installed into the local machine. Okay, yep. What is GitHub?
Yeah, Git is like a client and GitHub is like a server where it's a repository where we
Correct. See, we will developer will write the code into the local machine and manage locally with the help of Git. And when he push the code to the centralized location, GitHub will come into the picture and he will maintain as a repositories. Cool. Okay. At least you have to be aware about this part. Okay. Cool. Now, what exactly the difference is? It is used as a version control. Point number 1. Git has to be installed into the local machine, and whatever the changes are happening locally into the code can be tracked with the help of Git locally. Okay. Now, another side, GitHub. it is a hosting, means whatever the code you are writing it, if you will push the code, it will be hosted as a repository, means the code will go as a repository into the GitHub. This is a cloud base. GitHub is not into the local machine. It's a centralized location where your other team members can also able to access the same code. Okay, and it provides the web interface, means if it's a cloud base, GitHub is a web interface. With the help of web interface, 90% of the activities you can do from the UI itself, or even 99% of the activities you can do from the UI as well. But some 1% of activity which is required can be done with the help of command as well. Okay, so here we have to understand what exactly the Git and what exactly the GitHub, what exactly the developers are using into their entire life. Okay, cool. This is also one of the difference. Okay, Git came in 2005. Okay, whatever we are learning, it's around 18 years old thing. Okay, it has to be installed in your local machine. That's it. Okay, and one more very important part, Git is very common. Git is one of the very popular tool which is used by 80, 85, or not even 85, 95% developers, or 95% people are using the Git, and there may be chances 80% people are using GitHub, but there might be chances 10-15% people are using the GitLab or Gitbucket as well. But Git is same. Whatever the commands we are going to run, it will be same. You can push into the GitHub, you can push into the GitLab, you can push into the Bitbucket, or you can push into the some other place also is possible. But 99% or 95% people are using the Git, and 80% people are using the GitHub. So we have to focus into this part. 15-20% we will compare and we can able to learn it. Agree? Yes or no? Everyone?
Yes.
Yes, Vikas.
Yes.
Cool.
Yes.
Thank you. Cool. Now, very first point, version control. What do you think? What do you know about version control? Go ahead.
I think versions control is, let's say you make changes to
It's a distribution of a code.
Changes, whatever the changes are happening into the code or files is called version control. In simple language, this is a Excel or this is a PPT, right? This PPT is also maintaining the versions, right? Whatever the changes I am doing it, all the changes are showing here, correct? If you will see here, this is the 1st June, whatever the changes are there, it will be visible into this place. If I did again some changes on 24th August, 21st August, 22nd August, whatever the changes are happening, it will be visible here. Means different versions are available with me. Because what is the benefit? Yes, the benefit is like, let's assume I deleted something from the latest version. Okay, let's assume it's a code. Okay, I deleted something from the latest version, but I feel that I need it again. What I can do it, I can go to the previous version and I can take it. Simple answer, right? What exactly the version control is? If you will see the definition, the version control means a system that records the changes. Whatever the changes are happening, it can be into the file, it can be into the code over the time. Means what was yesterday, what was 1 year back, what was 10 years back, that all the changes will be visible here. And whatever is the latest version which we are using into which environment can be get tracked. Because I'm at this point, if you will take an example, I'm teaching or I'm explaining you from this version. Correct?
Yeah.
Means in my last batch, I can say that I was using this version. Simple. Agree?
Yes. Yes.
Right? Cool. So same way, it means this is my production environment, right? I'm deploying the things with my latest version. Yes, this is called version control. What is the benefit here? It will improve the visibility. Means if you have the access, you can able to see that what exactly the visibility is. Means you can able to see, I can also able to see the same file. Another thing, it helps to collaborate over the world. If you have the access of this file, you can do the changes, right? From any places. You don't have to sit with my laptop only, correct? Because this is hosted into some centralized location. Guys, are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
This is one of the benefit. Okay. After that, accelerate the product delivery. Yes, obviously, because if instead of I was only creating this PPT or I was only writing the code, if 5 people, 10 people will write the code from different location, it will accelerate, means the speed will be get increased. Okay. It will allow you to compare what was yesterday, what was today. We can able to compare it. If we don't have the previous version, we can't compare it. Right? Yes or no? Make sense? Right? It allowed to merge the changes. Whatever the new changes are happening, you can add it into the latest version. That is possible. Let us assume Naveen has written something into this file or into this code. I can verify that this is looks good. Just come into the main environment, right? Centralized code management. Yes, if let us assume it is in my local machine. If my local machine went down, so it will be completely vanished, correct? But if it's available into the centralized location, there may be chances that means you, me, and everyone can able to access it. I was on leave, but my code is available. You can able to use it. Right? Easy to verify which version is using by the team. We can verify that, okay, this is the version 1, version 2, version 3, whatever is using, we can able to check it from the centralized location itself. One point. Developing a code. If you are developing a code, software, application without a version control is very risky, because let us assume someone new junior came into a team, he did some changes. And if he did some changes by mistake and he deleted something, we cannot revert back, right? If we don't have the previous version, we cannot revert back. But let us assume he did the changes, so it will go into the previous version. Whenever required, we can come into the previous version anytime. Make sense? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? In short, I can say that these are the backups also. Previous versions are called as the backups. In terms of code, in terms of file, Excel, PPT, anywhere. Okay, it will call as a backups as well. Cool. This is called version control. Okay, I will take an example. Okay, let me take an example. As we are going to become a developer. Okay, so let's develop something. Okay, let's create a scenario and let's develop something. Okay. I'm able to see some clock here. Okay, yes, I would like to develop this clock. This is my requirement from the client that we have to develop this clock. Okay, very first phase will come as a planning, correct? What will happen into the planning phase? Can you please help me out? Planning. We have to develop this clock. This is the requirement from the client. And we all are the developer at this point. Guys, consider that you are a developer. We are into the planning phase. Yes. What you will do, what you will decide, what you will think.
We need to create a repository for this.
Repository will be, yeah, secondary part. Yeah, little bit after two, three lines it will come. But before that, very
Based
first.
on the based on customer expectations, okay? Because planning comes after the expectation setting from customer, the requirements and all.
This is the expectation that this type of clock is required.
Yeah.
This is the expectation.
How which this is the expectation. Based on that, you need to identify, okay, which application or which tool you are gonna use that one.
Correct.
What is the
Which
timeline?
language I will use it to develop this clock. Okay, guys, think it directly, straightforward language. Which language? Java, .NET, test, Java, .NET, PHP. Which
Like,
language you will use?
like what design?
Hard design will also come into the picture. Correct. Yes.
We call it HLD, LLD. That was my next point about that. What is the planning about?
Definitely.
What are the timelines of it when I'll
Correct.
deliver this one back to the customer? What is where is the dev environment? Where is the prod environment? And where I will save the data like GitHub or somewhere other repository. But all the documentation I need to prepare. These are the some high level points. Those are required.
Amit, give the opportunity to others also. Guys,
Good.
timeline, language, which code, documents, delivery. Okay, these all things will come into the picture, right? We will decide it all these things. Are you agree? Yes or no? But very simple question I would like to ask as a developer, and what exactly the language you will choose to develop a clock? Which language? Go ahead, guys. Give your choice. Java, .NET, Python, whatever is your choice.
Python.
Python. Why Python? Why?
Open source.
Open source, freely available. Okay, point number one. What else?
Nowadays in trend.
No, trending. We can't choose always trending. Okay,
Easy
no.
to read. Easy to read.
Easy. Okay.
Easy to
Easy.
read.
Okay. Cool. What
Less
else?
writing code,
What you're telling, Jiten?
less code.
Less code. Why less code? Yes, your answer is very good. Why less code? Why?
So Python provides inbuilt functions and inbuilt libraries that we can use and
Correct.
build our code easily.
Correct. It has ready-made libraries are there. If you will import that library with the help of 5 line or with the help of 10 line only, we can able to develop the complete code. This
Yep.
is the biggest reason we have to use the Python in this. Okay,
I
this will
think
come in
one
this.
more is there. I think it's easy to, we can use this as an API and integrate with any other application
At
or
this point,
insert it
not
in.
at this point not required. At this point not required. Okay,
Okay.
but yeah,
Okay.
easy, very simple. We can Python is simple. Okay, freely available. Less code is required because ready-made libraries are there. We can import the library and we can start writing the code. Okay. Now let's assume this is I got it. This is my plan. Okay. Now planning phase. I will decide some developers who will work into this thing. Okay. So your Scrum Master. Okay. What your Scrum Master will divide this into the multiple requirements. Okay. This is one of the requirement, and he will create a Jira tickets. Okay. There is a Jira board will get created for planning. Okay. In the Jira board, he will choose minimum 2 to 3 developers, and they will start writing the code. I need 3 developers, guys. 3 persons. Please speak your name. Go ahead.
Amit.
Amit.
Means
Amit. Okay. Second person.
Naveen.
Why only whoever is switching on the camera? Why their names are coming? No, I need something new person here. Fresher. Guys, come
Satish.
on. Satish. Good. Okay. As I know, Amit has a 15 years of experience. Okay. Naveen, let's consider he has a 5 years of experience. Okay. Satish, how much is your experience?
2 years.
1 year, 2 years. Okay, 2 years. So yes, whenever we will create a team, this type of things will happen. Different experienced people will be there. Okay. 3 different people, 3 different level of experience are available here. Okay. Now let's consider Jira. 3 tickets will be get created. Amit will get a hour module, HH. Naveen will get a minute module. Okay, MIN minute module, and Satish will get a AM PM feature to be developed. Correct. This will happen into the IT, right? Very clear, right? Now, Satish will start writing the code on the AMPM feature, but Satish code is dependent on the Naveen code. Naveen code is dependent on the Amit code. Everyone's code is required. If we will combine it, then only our application will be ready. Right?
True.
Right? Cool. Now, let's assume, guys, Satish, can you think and let me know? You have a 2 years of experience. How much time will be required to develop this feature or this AMPM feature? Good. Satish. Satish is not giving the answer. I am telling Satish will require at least 3 to 4 days to complete this activity. Okay. I am giving a huge time. Okay. Naveen, how much time will be required for you to create this minimum minute feature?
2-3 days.
2 days. Okay. Because he has a more experience, so he will complete in 2 days. Amit, go ahead. How much time will be required?
Obviously, 1 day, I can say.
Obviously,
1 or 2 days, you can say.
2 hours. 2 hours. Okay. Or you are 1 day. Okay. Now, 3 people, 3 different timelines has been came into the picture. Okay. And accordingly, we will add the testing timeline, deployment timeline, and everything. And your product manager or product owner will say, we will complete into the 15 days. Right? And because it required testing time, deployment time, bugs time, fixing time, everything, and 15 days, you are able to deliver this project. Correct? You guys agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
It happens
Yeah.
into the IT. Okay. This is called planning phase. Okay. Now they will start writing the code. Okay. They will start writing the code and we will come. Let's assume directly, I'm not doing anything. Let's assume you decided or you develop this complete code. Okay. You develop this complete application. Okay. You develop the complete application, the version 1, okay, V1, and show it to the client. Okay. Client tell, I don't like this. Can you change it to 24-hour format? Obviously, he's a client, so you have to take it, right? And you will make it on the 24-hour format. Okay. This is the second version you have created in front of them. Okay. Again, you need 10 to 15 days. Yes or no? And that will be V2, version 2. Yes, no.
Yes.
Does everyone agree?
Yes.
Right? And as soon as you presented this to your clients think that this is not looking good. The previous version itself is good. It happens, guys. It's very common, right? He says that no, yeah, this is not looking good. It's getting confusing. Okay, AM PM is better. So better, let's go into the previous version. Now I have a question. It from V1 to V2, it took 10 days again. Okay. 10 days. Okay. Now from V2, again you have to go to the V1. Again, it required a time.
No.
No.
Why no? You deleted the previous
Wow.
code. You
No,
deleted the
but-
previous code.
But it
You are-
is still, but it's gonna be version 1, or will you save it?
We can
chalo,
help
okay,
you.
see, let assume you are not keeping the history. Okay, you don't know what
Okay.
is version control, you don't know all these
Okay.
things. You
Okay,
deleted
you're
the
right.
previous version, you deleted everything, and you come up in the front that okay, this is ready. Now,
Okay.
what will happen? Again, you have to develop this thing. Okay, again, you have to develop this thing. So again, you will ask 5 to 7 days time.
Yes.
And client, yeah, obviously you will ask. Okay, but that's not a good approach. If you are maintaining the version, one click revert button, you will use the one command revert. Okay, revert. In the 1 minute, you will able to go to the previous version. Good, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, this is the benefit of keeping the versions because this happens into the real time most of the time. Okay, sometimes client looks the previous version only. Okay, which we developed in first time, it will like it. Okay, so it happens. Okay, cool. Guys, are you understood this? The version control, the reason of versions, why we have to maintain it?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yeah.
Okay, this is what I was showing it. He showed to the client. Okay, client told, okay, this is fine, but can you go to the previous version only? Okay, then he was a developer. He was thinking, yes, I know that you will like the previous feature only, and within one click, he just change it and he will hand over to the client that okay, this is ready, available, and I'm hand over to this. How this is possible? How the version control is possible? This is possible with the help of tool Git. Okay, the popularity of Git from 2012 onwards, it was 50%, and from it's increasing every time. And in 2023, 24, or 20 onwards, it's reached to 99 or 100% itself. Means every developer is going to be used, or every developer is getting used the tool Git. Now the question is, what is Git? Git is a free open source distribution control system. It handles everything from small to large code. Means if it's a 2 line of code or 2000 line of code, Git will work very same. Okay. Git has been created by Travis Lowers in the 2005. Okay. Means this is a tool which we are learning now. It is 19 years old. It's developed into the Linux community. Means it will work very similar to the Linux commands. Okay, you can understand that similar to the Linux command, it will work. The functionality, performance, or security of the thing is completely for the developer's need. It has been created, this tool has been created for the developer needs. Now, this Git tool has four varieties of different applications are there. One is GitHub, Git Bash, GUI, or GitHub desktop application. Out of that, GitHub and Git Bash are the very popular, which we have to use it. Now, because why we don't have to use the Git GUI? The reason is Git GUI will work only into the Windows environment. Okay, only into the Windows environment, GUI. Okay, and if you learn with the GUI and you have to deal the Git into the Linux environment, again you have to learn the Git Bash. Right? So Git Bash is the primary tool, or primarily most of the people, or 99% or 95 people are playing with the Git with the help of Git Bash, not with the GUI.
Yeah.
Another application I'm rejecting, GitHub desktop application, which you may not heard about it. The reason is it is very heavy. It is of 800 MB application, and then if you will put the code and manage it, it will become you will be frustrated with the Git. Okay, or you will not be very happy with the Git. If you want a very good GUIs and all this thing, then you can play or you can install this application and we can test it. But primarily the Git Bash is the tool which is getting used by most of the developers. Clear?
Clear.
Everyone?
Yeah.
Darshan, Amrit, Anu, able to understand? Ashwadan, Ganesh,
Yeah, clear.
Harshita,
Yes. Yes.
everyone,
Yes, sir.
all good? All good till now?
Yes.
All good.
Cool, thank you. Now, how exactly the setup will work? We all are 50, all are the developers. Okay, we all are the developers. We will install Git into the our own laptop, and from our own laptop, we will push the code into the GitHub. Ready?
Ready.
Cool, thank you. Chalo. This is look very simple. Okay, but ideally, what will happen? Ideally, this thing will happen. You have to play with some commands. Then only your code will go into the staging area. From staging area, if you will run the push command, then it will go into the centralized location. Okay, these all things we have to do it. Then only we will able to achieve it. Okay, cool. Now let's create a account. Okay, or let's install the Git into the machine. Means we need both the things. Then only we can able to do the practicals. Okay, so I want you all to download the software Git into the local machine. What you have to do it, you have to come into this place. Okay, whatever is your operating system, Mac, Windows, or Linux, whatever you are using, most of the people has a Windows. You have to click on the Windows. As soon as you will click on the Windows, 64-bit standalone or portable, whatever you want, you can able to download it, and then just share your screen, and I will help you out. Whoever is using the Mac, you can click on the Mac, and you can just brew option will come. You can just run brew install git and sudo port install git. These two command you will run and it will get installed. Okay, so Mac command, Mac, you can take it by own. Okay, but I'm directly going into the Windows part and I'm showing it. I'm just giving this link to everyone. Okay, Mac people, Windows people directly go into the 64-bit. If you have a 32-bit system, click on the 32-bit and download it. I have a 64-bit. I'm clicking on the 64-bit. As soon as I click here, one of the software is getting downloaded, which is of 65 MB in my machine. Please download this software in your machine. Everyone. And if it's downloaded, please let me know. I will allow you to share your screen. Okay, and then install in front of everyone. Please, who is installing it? Who will install? Who will install?
Already installed.
Already installed. Good. What about others?
Yes, I think I already installed this on
Good,
Homebrew.
good,
I
good,
think
good, good, good,
couple of days back.
good, good, good.
I
Guys,
can share.
who is installing in front of everyone?
I can share.
Yes, Ithio, you can share a screen. Okay, Ithio, let me allow you to share a screen. Yeah. Ithio, you can share a screen, please.
For Mac users, couple of days back, I pasted to URL, Homebrew wala. Use those. I think that is gonna helpful for. I think somebody else is also using MacBook.
Ithio, you can share a screen. Yep, cool. Yep.
I click next now.
No, Ithio, we are not able to see. You have to share the full screen. Please share your full screen. Again, only white install app is showing. You can stop the screen and share the full screen.
You see now?
Yes, we are able to see your browser. Okay. Hope you have downloaded.
Yeah.
But we are only able to see your browser. But we are able to see your screen. The pop-up is not coming. We are not able to see the Git pop-up.
No, I already downloaded it. Is that what you see?
We are not able to see. Ithio, you have to share the full screen. Share full screen. You are just sharing, I think, Windows or something like that, or the another screen. I think you have two screens.
Yes.
Wherever
yes.
that pop-up is there, you have to share that screen. Screen 1 or screen 2, something like that.
Hit on screen 2. I share now.
We are able to see the Git. Can you bring up that pop-up? The second last pop-up is coming near to Zoom. Okay, you can download it again. You can download it again. We are not able to see that pop-up. Okay, Ithio, no worries. Anyone else who want to share the screen? Guys, please. Anyone else?
I can share.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Give me 1 second. Let me share my screen.
Yeah, please.
which one should I download? The 64 one or the
Yes.
32?
Whatever is
64?
your laptop. Okay, you can open the task manager of your system, and I think 64-bit most of the people, as you can download directly install 64-bit. Yes, click install it. Click it will get downloaded. Good. Guys, still we have a 2 more minute time. Please download it, everyone. If you have not downloaded, yes, click on open it. Cool.
Oh.
Anu, still I think you are also sharing only browser, not the full
Oh,
screen.
yeah. Give me 1 second. Let me share the entire screen.
Yes, please.
There you go.
Yeah, now the pop-up is coming. Guys, see, as soon as you will open that installer, you will get a next option. Click on the next, correct? Click on the next, yes. Choose the additional desktop icon, the first option, yes. Come little bit down, And second last option, yes, second last, new, add git-based profile to the Windows terminal. Guys, you have to choose this option, Windows terminal. Please select this option and then click on the next, yes. Cool, next. Next. Yeah, wait. Guys, you have to click on the next, and then Anu has clicked it, but you can select both the options and then click on the install. Okay, cool. No worries, it's okay. Now it will take around, based on your laptop speed, 30 seconds, 1 minute time, and the Git software will be installed in your machine. Guys, have you all installed the Git software in your machine? Please confirm. Please confirm into the chat box. Done. Just type done. Okay. Everyone, guys, please do it. Don't do after the sessions. Please do it. We are running very slow. Okay. I want you to do the things here only. Done. Cool. Okay. Good. Yes, already installed yesterday. Very good. Naveen also did yesterday only, correct?
Yes, sir.
Good. Already installed, good. Good. Yeah, and click on the launch Git bash and finish. And cool. Yep, your software is installed. Just once. Okay, and yes, it's okay. Leave it. Go to the terminal, the black terminal, Git bash terminal. This is browser. Yeah, click on the terminal. Correct. Yeah, and guys, this is one Git terminal will be installed in your machine. You have to play. You have now. It will work with the commands. Now we have to understand the commands. Then only you will able to play with the Git bash. Agree? Right?
Agree.
Git software has been installed into the machine, but he will understand the Linux command. Just Anu, any Linux command you can type it, ls, pwd, any of the Linux command. Yes. So guys, whoever don't have the Linux environment, anything, you can just little bit practice of the Linux also into this terminal. Okay, good. Thank you, Anu. Yes, it is done. It is installed. Guys, I hope everyone has installed it in the machine. Okay, the Git software. Cool. Now, as soon as the software will be installed, okay, means we can say the Git software is available in machine, means your first step towards the development side has been started. Okay, now whatever the code you will write in your machine, you can maintain the versions in your local machine as well, and you can push the changes into the GitHub. Now, if you will, we have a local system, right? At this point, we are here, and you all has downloaded the Git software into the local machine. We have to create a centralized location also, right? Because if you will take in this example, this 3-person, Amit, Naveen, and Satish, they are writing the code. Okay, so let's complete this part as well. Satish is writing on the AM/PM feature, Naveen is working on the minute feature, and Amit is working on the hour feature. Okay, Amit has completed his code in the 1 day. Yes, agree? Amit will complete his code into the 1 day. And after the Amit code has been completed, okay, Amit code is completed. whatever the code he has written, okay, he is available in his laptop, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
And Amit is sitting into the some US remote location. He don't know Satish, and now Amit has to wait. Do you think that Amit has to wait for 5 days till the Satish will complete the work or Naveen will complete the work?
No.
Ideally, no, right? If Amit is waiting for Naveen or Satish to complete his work, we are not utilizing his proper experience or whatever the salary we are giving to the Amit, we are not utilizing properly. Are you agree? Right? So we don't have to waste Amit time. Agree? Yes or no? Point number
Yes.
one. Right?
Yes.
Second point. Naveen will complete the code in 2 days, obviously. Okay, because it's Naveen's requirement. Naveen has completed his code. The code is available in his local machine. Okay, laptop. Okay. Now Satish has completed in 5 days. Now Satish is searching where is Naveen, where is Amit, because Amit was free, so he planned his vacations. He took his leaves. Okay. He was thinking that I don't know when Satish will complete. He don't know the timeline. So Amit has taken his leave. Now Satish will wait for Amit to come back.
No.
Ideally, no, right? But if we need a Amit's code or we need a Naveen's code also, so Satish has to wait it, correct? And these are the problems, guys. You are able to observe the problems if you will maintain the code into the local machine. Guys, yes or no?
Yes.
You are observing that because if you will keep your code into the local machine, and let assume Amit laptop is not working now, whatever he's written it, so it's again a waste, right? Yes or no? It's again an issue.
Yes.
Or
Yes.
he forwarded what I have written 5-7 days. That is also a problem, right? So what exactly the solution came into that whatever the code Amit has written his code, okay, Amit, as soon as your coding is completed, you can push your code into some centralized location, okay, and you can pick the next ticket and you can work into the next project. This is a good utilization of Amit. Guys, are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes. That's true.
Right?
Yep.
Same thing for Amit, for Naveen. Naveen, as soon as your code is ready, completed, you can push your code into some centralized location and no need to keep anything into the local machine. After 2 days, you can pick a new ticket or you can work into the different environment. Okay. As soon as Satish code is completed, Satish, what he will try to reach, if required, he will reach out to Amit or Naveen and he will also push his code to the centralized location and he will merge and he will create a one file, jar file or whatever has to be get created, he will merge it. Right? Agree? But
Yes.
it's not, you don't have to wait for Satish to complete the work. This is a good scenario. How this is possible? If you all will push your code into the centralized location. Correct? And what is centralized location? The centralized location is
Git. GitHub.
GitHub. GitHub. Okay. This is the centralized location. So now what I'm doing it, I'm creating a GitHub account also. I'm helping you out to create your own, everyone create your own GitHub account as well. So that we will start pushing the code into our own GitHub as well. Because we don't want to keep the dependency of laptop. We don't want to keep the dependency of Amit, Naveen or anyone. Right? Because let us assume you are keeping the code and suddenly you left the company. Then what will happen? The code will also go with you, right? Agree?
Yes.
Right? Or suddenly you are taking a leave. Let's assume 90% work has been completed and suddenly you took a leave and client or customers or no one will wait for you to come back, right? So what is the best practice? As soon as every day, the developer's best practice, this is one of the interview question, what developer has to follow as a best practice. As soon as end of the day, as soon as whatever the code is written for you, okay, whatever you have completed, push it into the centralized location. Okay, so no dependency on you, no dependency of your laptop, no dependency of hardware, because hardware failure is also not acceptable, right? Or you are not available, that is also not acceptable. If your code is completed, push it into the centralized location and go wherever you need. Correct? This is the best practice has to be followed into the dev environment. Cool. Now, we all are here. We have installed the Git. Now the GitHub account has to be created. Can anyone tell me the definition of GitHub? What exactly it is? Go ahead, try. Go ahead, guys, go ahead.
GitHub is a centralized repository that will work for deploy the code onto it and manage the code in a cloud environment.
Okay. Yeah, your understanding definition is okay. Anyone else? Go ahead.
GitHub is the open platform to manage projects and collaboration to all the team source code.
Yep, answer is correct. Anyone else? I need a proper answer, proper definition, full answer. Guys, try because no one will ask the simple questions, but you have to be aware about it. Go ahead.
GitHub is a centralized location where developers correct their
Collaborate, push their code,
any mistakes. They make
Share the code. Store
share
it.
the codes, share the code in form of repositories. Okay, GitHub is the world largest community, guys. Almost all the open source code is available in the GitHub. Who is the present owner of the GitHub? Parent company of the GitHub tool?
Microsoft.
Microsoft. Okay. Earlier it was a independent company. Now Microsoft 4 years back, Microsoft has purchased this company GitHub. Okay. And he did some changes. We will discuss that also. Okay. And GitHub can be accessible on this URL, github.com. Okay. And now I want you all to come into the github.com. Okay. And I'm coming into the incognito window, github.com. As soon as you will come up here, okay, you will able to see one sign up option. Okay. I want you all to create your own account. Okay. Click on anyone, give me your email ID who don't have the GitHub account. Please, any one of you. And I'm giving the GitHub URL. Okay. Go into this link, click on the sign up, and any one of you, please give me your email ID. Any one of you who don't have the GitHub account, please give your email ID into the chat box to me. I will create your account. Rest everyone create it by own. Please.
I have already.
That's okay. Anyone give me your email ID. I will create an account for you. Guys, give me your email ID. Mayank. Okay, Mayank, I'm creating your account. Okay, guys, as soon as you will come into the sign up, you have to go and give your email ID into the email link. It is asking password. I'm giving this as a password. Mayank, you can change it. Okay, username also same. Okay, password need okay. Okay. It's okay. I'm creating one of the password, email ID, username, give the username before your email ID. Okay, click on continue. It's not a line. Okay, I created a strong password and I click on the continue. Okay, it is verifying the account. Puzzle. Okay. Submit. Guys, you can also play the puzzle. Yeah, the account is verified. I hope you also played the puzzle. And Mayank, the OTP has been came to you. Can you give your OTP? Guys, you also get your own OTP. Please provide the OTP and confirm your email. Mayank, I need a OTP from you. Yep, thank you. Continue. Yep, and the account has been created. That's it. And guys, I hope you all has created your account. I hope every one of you created the account. I remember the password. Okay, done. Can you please confirm that your account is created? Okay, please confirm. I hope you all has created and you are getting create your first repository option. This is a Mayank account. Okay. Please confirm. I think you will not get any problem. It's just a puzzle play. Play your puzzle. No one will help you out. If you are inventing, you will able to help yourself. Done. Please, everyone. Fast. Done. Okay. Can I give 1 minute time here to complete this or not required? Take at least 1 minute time, guys. Okay. And please complete it quickly. And whoever is facing the problem, if you want to share the screen, please let me know. Small thing, just create a GitHub account. That's it. Whatever way you want, just create a GitHub account. Okay. Thank you. Yes, I can able to 6, 7, 8, 9 people has done it. Good. Anyone has any question till now? Vishnu, Prasad, Amya, Surya, Survesh, all good? Ganesh, Harshita. Thank you. Okay. Now guys, tell me any of the online GitHub repo, okay, from the internet or any of the repo where the GitHub, where the code is available, open source code, any of the popular tool, anything. Any code?
Microservice demo.
GitLab.
GitLab is not open source. Have you heard about VLC player? Yes.
Yes.
Right. This is also one of the open source, right? Open source media player.
Yes.
Right. If it's an open source, definitely his code also should be available into the internet, right? So let's see. VLC GitHub. Okay. I'm just searching. Yes, I got the VLC media player code. Okay. And I'm giving you the URL. No need to worry. Okay. This is the URL where the GitHub VLC player GitHub code is available. Yes, this is the code, and this is a very high level overview I'm giving about the GitHub. Okay. The code will be available. This is the primary account. This is the main account. Okay. And after the main account, this is VLC is a repo because this is a company. In the company, there are so many projects. Possible or not possible?
Yes.
Right. This is VideoLine is a company and it has so many different products. Android VLC, Android VLC, iOS, or so many different things are there. Okay. And if you will see here, this is a repo name. Repo name is showing as a public. Okay. And this is the now, if this is a code, this code is written 62.3% into the C language, C++ 18.9%. Who is calculating this? Who is calculating this?
GitHub.
GitHub. Automatically, guys, as soon as you will push your code into the GitHub, automatically he will calculate. None of the human being has to calculate this all things. Okay. Automatically, this will be calculated by same thing for VLC player. There are around 613 different contributors. Means 613 developers are writing this code. Cool. Which code? The code is available. Guys, clear till now? Okay. Now I have a small requirement. I want to copy this.
Because sorry, please, can you go back to that one again just now? The one you did. The code. Which code did you click?
I have not clicked any code. I am just asking that question. In which language the VLC player code is written?
Okay.
And it is mentioned here. And no one is writing this thing that C language 62% is automatically getting calculated with the help of feature of GitHub.
Okay.
Okay. Cool. Now, guys, I have a small question. I have a code. This is a code available into the VLC repo, right? Now I want this code to be come into my repo. I want this complete code to be come in my repo. Is this possible or not possible?
Yes.
Yep, possible.
By using for.
We can clone.
Yes, guys, write your answer into the chat box. Write your answer into the chat box. How can I take this code in my repo? Right. Simplest interview question for the freshers. Simplest. Good. Guys, write everyone, please. Everyone, yes, everyone.
With wget command.
Correct. Write it into the chat box. Write it. Yes, write it. I will write the question. Otherwise, you will say, we have not listened your question properly. Because I know so many students will not accept that part. Okay. So I want VLC code in my repo. This is my requirement. Okay. Cool. Okay. Done. Out of that, let me read the chat. 2%. Only 2 students has given the correct answer. Rest all are wrong.
Clone is the answer. I think so.
Very good.
Git clone and repository link.
Right answer into the chat
Yeah.
box. Right answer into the chat box. Right. I want to reject. I feel happy when student given the wrong answer. Because you will give the wrong answer here, that's good. If you will give the wrong answer into the interview, that's not good. Agree? Cool. Amit answer came. Ithio, where is your answer? Naveen has given the answer. Vishnu, where is your answer? Prateek, Swati, Anu. Great. Very good. 75% people has given the, or 90% student has given the wrong answer. Then now you have to learn it. Leave it. I am coming here. Okay. I'm coming into this place and I would like to teach you this. Okay. My thing. What is my requirement? I want to copy the code from repo to repo, means GitHub to GitHub only. Correct? Then the option is fork. If you want to download the code in local machine, then the clone will come. Whoever is giving the clone answer, if you want to download the code into the local machine laptop, then clone is the answer. Guys, getting my point? Naveed, Amit, Ithio, yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Chalo. Now
Yes.
let's do the fork. How this fork works? Can anyone help me out? Where is that option? Where is that option?
Sir, top right.
Top right, second option fork. Guys, at this point, this is a new account. Don't say because this is your old account. No, this is a new account, Mayank account I created. And what I'm doing it, I'm just clicking on the fork. As soon as I will click on the fork, currently the location is video LAN VLC. Okay, current location is video LAN VLC. Let me write it. Okay, CURRENT, current is video LAN VLC is the current location of the code. Okay, now I'm clicking on the fork button. You all can click on the fork button of this VLC player. Okay, as soon as you will click on the fork, what will happen? He will tell, do you want to fork this repo? I'm telling yes, this is the owner account, Chaitanya owner account, VLC, and click on the fork. As soon as I will click on the fork, my complete code from the VLC player repo to my repo has been came just with the fork button. Okay, yes, the code has been came, VLC complete code has been came into my repo. But
Okay, for local system, it's from one directory to another directory.
One repo to another, not directly, repo. Okay,
Count
technical term we will call as a repo. Okay, got it?
Got it.
Yes.
And how many people are correct? Arshvardhan Reddy was correct in this answer, and Jitendra 2, and Swadeep 3, and I think one more, Jitendra 3, 4. 3 people are giving the correct answer. Rest all. Or whoever is silent, definitely you are wrong answer.
Yeah.
Right? Obviously, because you don't know, that's why you are not writing the answer. Okay? You are defending yourself. Guys, don't defend, give the wrong answer. At least you will remember. Okay? Now remember this image. Okay? Guys, you understood what I did? I just click on the fork button and the complete code is in my repo. Okay? Remember this image. Okay? Fork means fork
Well,
means
because how do you go to your directory now to check if this code is there? Where do you go to check it?
it's already came in my repo. This is Chaitanya repo, right? Chaitanya repo already. You can do it, guys. You can try it by own. Go to the VLC repo. Go to the VLC repo. Okay, and just click on this fork button after creating the account. And I think Naveen has did it. Naveen, you did it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
did.
Me too.
Worked. Yes. Good. Okay. This is how we can copy any of the code, any of the complete repo from their account to our account. Okay, and that is official. Okay.
Your voice is gone because
You are able to hear me?
Very low.
I don't think so. Guys, you are able to hear me? Yes or no?
No.
Now it's okay.
Okay.
Now it's okay. Now it's
All
okay.
good?
Yep. Now it's okay.
Yeah,
Cool. Okay, cool. Guys, this is official. Don't think that I am teaching any illegal thing. No, this is official. Okay, cool. Now, fork is a repo to repo copy. Forking is done on the GitHub accounts itself. Okay, when you fork the repository, you can create a copy of the original repository in your own account. Okay, now you are the owner of that because it's the open source code. You are the owner of that. If you are the owner, what you can do it? You can do the changes. You can create a license. You can support, and you want to sell. You can sell it also officially. Okay, that's not a problem. Now, my second requirement, I want to download this code into my local machine. How can I download?
Git clone.
yeah, git clone.
Okay, now this is original location. I'm into the original location. Okay, I have three options. One URL, second GitHub desktop, download zip. Yes, if I will click on this download zip option, the code will be downloaded in my machine. Correct? But this is not a good way. Okay, please never do this or never say this into the interview. Okay, which option you have to use it? You have to copy the URL. Okay, copy the and go to your Git bash. Now what you have to do it? Go to any of the folder in your machine. Okay, and I'm creating one of the folder that is Batch-37 folder. Batch-37 is already there. Now I'm opening a Git bash. Guys, what you have to read? Right click, Git bash option is coming in your laptop. Please do it. And as soon as you will click on that, on this repo, on this location, the Git bash has been came. Yes, it is coming for you. This right click and Git bash option. Yes, no? Obviously, yes. Yes, please confirm this option is coming or not.
Yes, it's coming.
Coming, right? So if it's coming, click on the Git bash and open this terminal. Open this terminal. Everyone. And now type the command git clone git clone and the URL. The VLC URL. Okay. Vinay has did it. Git clone and URL and press enter. As soon as you will press enter, the VLC code is getting downloaded in your machine, in your local machine. If you are feeling it stuff, let me write and give it to you. Okay. Git clone.
When I did the right click, nothing. Git bash did show.
It should ideally show. Ideally, it should show. Okay. Guys, I given a complete command to you, git clone and the repo. If you are not able to type it by one, copy paste this command into git bash and the code will be downloaded. It will take based on the code size. Okay. The VLC code is also of 600, 200, 300 MB or more than that. It will take a couple of minutes and the code will be downloaded in your machine. Done. Itio, what is the error you are getting? Have you installed the Git in the machine? Next.
Yes.
Then if you're not able to get it, you can type git bash into the search bar, git bash, and you will able to open it. Got it? Yes, no?
Yeah, I'm getting an error stating
What is the error?
authenticity of the host GitHub can't be established, and then it's giving the fingerprint.
Okay.
This key is not
Got it.
known by other names.
It is your personal laptop or office laptop?
It's office laptop.
Don't do this activity in office laptop, please. Okay, because you are downloading some other company code into the machine, and after some time you will push it. So guys, don't try this operation into the office laptop, please. This is the only operation which company is not allowed. Okay, because you are downloading some other company code, right? Unethical. Okay, and after some minute I will teach you to push also code. Don't do it. Okay, in the office laptop.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, done. The code is downloaded. Yes, the code is completely downloaded in our machine. Clear. Done. Guys, can you please type done into the chat box?
Sir, can you repeat the process from the beginning a little bit?
Okay.
Copy.
Cool.
Because we are new and
It's okay. No worries. See, guys, you can able to see. Let me start. Repeat it again. Fork means you can copy the code from repository to repository. Okay, cloud to cloud account or GitHub to GitHub account. Okay, when the requirement is you have to download the code into the local machine with the help of git clone command. Okay, you can able to download it. So what I did it, I'm just closing again. Okay, I'm going into my any of the folder. Okay, I'm going into batch-37 ABC and I'm going to the 11 number folder. I'm deleting everything. Okay, and this is 11 folder. I right click. Let's see my screen. Right click, git bash here. Click on the git bash. As soon as you will open the git bash, the black terminal or black screen will come. You have to type the command git clone and you have to provide the URL. Okay, you have to provide the URL. From where you will get this URL, I will show you one second. Okay, this URL will be available from this place, VLC player. You have to go to the VLC player, code, and then copy this URL. Copy this URL. Okay, and paste it here. And as soon as you will press enter, it will be downloaded. Okay.
Sorry, which one did you copy? What did you copy?
I'm giving you directly. You don't have to copy anything. Guys, I given directly the complete code. Okay, git clone in my screen. Okay, check it in your screen. In the chat box, I given this command, line number 6. No need to worry. Just download this code. That's it. This is how we can download the code in the local machine. The command is git clone. Cool. Farhad, you are able to do it?
Yes, sir, I'm almost.
Good. Ithio, you are able to
Yes.
do it? Good.
Yes.
What about others? Guys, if you're not able to do it, please speak. We all are here for the learning purpose. We all are here for the learning purpose. I may feel that it is little bit difficult. No, yeah, it's not difficult. Just everything we are doing from the UI only.
Sir, one question here.
Go ahead.
So if you clone the code, you can change and push it. Why fork is needed here, basically?
I mean, can you repeat your question? By
Why
cloning, we
fork?
can.
If I clone the code, it landed
Correct.
your local machines, you
Correct.
can change and can push to GitHub.
Correct.
So why fork is needed here only?
See,
Why
fork is
additional
see,
repository?
no. See, clone for the local machine and fork. If you see, let's assume you don't want to do changes into the local machine. You want to do directly into the cloud to cloud. Then you can use the fork. The code will come in your repo. Now you can change directly from here also. Right? You can edit this file directly. But that's not very good, right? If you have to do 1 line, 2 line changes, then you can do from here. If 200 lines changes, you can't do it from here, right? We need a ID. Developers need a ID.
Right, yeah.
Right? We need to compile it. We have to check it. We can't do compilation and all these things into this UI.
Okay.
Right? The fork is one of the option. Clone is for actual process. Okay.
Okay.
Guys, all good. Can I give a small break? 2-minute time. Whoever is doing it. Digestion break. Otherwise, whoever is feeling overloaded. Some people will feel that it's very simple. Some people will feel very overloaded. Naveen, it's not overloaded. Okay, don't say. Okay, guys, let's take a small break. Okay, and please at least a small operation, download the code. Okay, and I'm just keeping this image here. Okay, and take a small break. 2 minutes. Yes, no.
Yes.
3 minutes. Okay.
24-second also.
No, there is not 24 automatically today. Okay, so guys,
That's
yes.
fine.
Please, guys, 3-minute break. Please, whoever is not yet done, please do it. Whoever is done, go for a small break.
Thank you.
Guys, time is up and I'm back. What about you? Yep, I hope everyone did it. Let me check the screenshots. Yes, cool. It is working. Cool. Nice. Okay, this is called git fork and git clone. There is a difference. Okay, I hope you understood the difference. Everyone understood the difference, correct? Cool. Thank you. Now, first time. Guys, we already tried one operation, but when we have to do it first time, okay, when we have to push the code, okay, at this time we are downloading the code, so no need to worry, anyone can download anytime. But let us assume we are into this situation, okay, we have a single single repo and multiple people are pushing the code. From Fred is pushing the code, Naveen is pushing the code, Lisa is pushing the code, or everyone. GitHub has to be aware that who is pushing the code. He need your information, correct? Right? So we have to set up our local machine. We have to configure our local machine also with our name, right? I want you all to set up your machine with your name. Okay. How it is possible? This is a first time activity and one time activity only we have to do it. Guys, don't try this in your office laptop. Please do it in your personal laptop. Okay. Because office laptop will not allow you to push the code to the some centralized location outside your network. Okay. So don't try in office laptop. In your personal laptop, you have to run two commands. Okay. Which I am giving to you. Global username. Okay, you have to put your name. Okay, yo, I will write it. Yo, your name. Okay, you have to put your name here, and without this, you have to put your email ID also. Guys, you are able to see line number 1 and 2 in my screen. Git config. We are configuring the Git. Okay, we are telling my global username is your name. You have to put your name, please. Okay, don't put it like this. Okay, and second is your email ID, and you have to put your email ID. Okay, @gmail.com. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm giving you these two commands one by one. Please change it into a notepad and configure into your GitHub. You will not get any output. Any one of you share the screen. Any one of you share the screen. Any one of you share the screen and do it. Who is sharing?
I'm sharing.
Yeah, go ahead. Guys, in the parallel time, you can copy this command into your notepad and paste it, please, and change with your names. Yeah, Naveen. Yes. Naveen, change the command into the notepad. My God, already done. Good. Yeah, that's it. And you will not get any output, nothing. Okay, done. Yes, that's it. Guys, done. Guys, done. Everyone. That's it. Yes, Naveen, thank you. I'm taking the skin back. Now your machine will understand who you are. That's it. The intention of running this command, your GitHub will understand who you are. You are telling this is my ID and this is my name. Okay. And you will not get any error at this point. If you do any other operation and you will not configure, then you may get this error, but at this point you will not get any error. Cool. Now let's understand some basic Git commands. Okay. Let's understand some basic Git commands and then we will discuss some more things. Okay. What do you think? Can I do the practical directly? I feel that let's do the practical, okay? So that you will understand more. Yes, you want to do the practical directly?
Yeah, sure.
We will repeat it again tomorrow, okay? We have a 15 minutes of time. Let's do one practical today, okay? And we will repeat it tomorrow, okay? Okay. I'm not teaching one by one command and then doing the practical. Instead of in the practical itself, I will use these commands, okay? Now what I'm doing it, every one of you, no, see my screen, okay? I'm into my Google, okay? I'm here, I'm opening the GitHub, okay? See my screen, don't do it. What I'm doing it in front of you guys, I will show you the image, okay? This is the practical I'm performing in front of you. Which practical? This practical I'm performing in front of you, okay? Means as a developer, I will write the code into my local machine. I will push the code into the staging area, and from the staging area, I will push the code into the centralized location. And then you know how to download it. With the clone, you can download it. Okay, so this is what I'm performing in front of you guys. Tomorrow we will do as a team, but today let me do it. Okay, cool. Just see my screen. Okay, what I'm doing it, I'm here. I'm into my GitHub repo. I'm creating a new repo at this point. Okay, the new repo, let me give the name Batch-37. Okay, I'm just giving a name Batch-37, and I'm creating a public repo at this point, and I'm just clicking on the create repository. As soon as I will click on the create repository, what will happen? My first repo has been created. Okay, yes or no? My first repo, Vikas for Cloud Batch-37 has been created. You can able to see the repo at like this at this point. Okay, but at this point, I'm not able to see any code. I'm able to see some commands. I have to execute this command, then only the code from my local machine, it will go to the GitHub.
Because
Okay.
should we follow you or just watch?
No need to follow. Just watch me. Okay.
Okay.
The last 15 minutes, you can watch the recording and you can do it. Otherwise, tomorrow we will do it again. Okay. So tomorrow you will be more comfortable. If you will do it again, tomorrow you guys will be more comfortable. Okay. So what I'm doing it, I just created an empty repo, okay, with the name Batch-37. And at this point, multiple commands has been came to me. I'm just copying this 5 commands and I'm explaining to you in the today's session. Okay. I'm copying this 5. First, this setup is required. After this setup, I'm taking this 5 command. Very first command is telling echo Batch-37 readme.md. Guys, what is this line number 6? Can anyone explain me? Anyone of you? Explain what is the line number 6?
Echo is a message.
It's a message. Okay. No.
Yeah, it will append that into the readme.md file.
Okay. Any other answer? Any other answer? Any other answer? Guys, see this, please. Okay. Echo Batch-37 will be written into the readme.md file. As soon as I will run this command, what will happen? One readme.md file will be get created and Batch-37 will be added into this file.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
That's it. Okay. So I'm copying this command and I'm just creating one file here. Okay. And I'm placing it here. As soon as I press here, one readme file has been created for me. That's it. Now, question is, what is readme file? What is readme file?
One text
Readme.
file, here we have to write some notes.
Yes,
Readme
very
is
first file of the repo where we will provide the information what exactly is written into this code or how to execute this code, how to run this code, how to understand this code will be written into the readme file. Correct? Okay, cool. Now I created the file. Now I'm running the command line number 7, git init. What is the English meaning of init?
The initialization.
Initialization. Okay, the full form is initialization. At this point, this folder number 11 don't know anything about git and everything. As soon as I run the command git init, he will understand that something git initialization happened. Means, can you someone tell that what technically happened? Technically, what will happen in this folder?
Folder 11 get initialized to git.
Correct. It's still some more points is pending. What technically will happen into this folder? Guys, you are 40 people. Anu, give the answer. Amya, Ajay, Vinay.
I'm not sure this will initiate like a connection between your laptop and the Git one.
I agree. Yes, this will happen. This is called initialization, right? But technically, what will happen?
Initialize the Git repository onto our local system.
Chalo, you will get confused. Otherwise, let me execute. Let me execute.
You try to bring that into your machine.
Let me execute. Okay, guys, I'm executing the command git init. As soon as I will execute this, one git folder will be created. .git folder will be created in my this repo. Okay, I'm pressing enter. Initialization empty git repository has been created into this location. .git folder has been created. Okay, now whatever the git related activities I will do, everything will be maintained in my local machine into this folder. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Okay, if this folder is not visible to you, you have to enable the hidden folders in your laptop. You have to enable the hidden folders, then only this git folder will be visible to you. Okay, cool. Now my empty initialization repo has been created. It is telling initializing empty Git repository is created into this location. Yes. Okay. Inside this, so many Git related operations will be happen. Okay. Whatever the activities will happen, everything will be tracked, saved into this folder. Cool. Yes, no. Guys, yes, no. All good till now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
now what I'm doing it, I'm coming into my PPT again. Okay. I'm taking into the pen. Okay. So that I can explain you this in a proper way. Yes, there may be chances you may feel it's tough. No, but it's not tough. This is a developer's everyday activity. Okay. Now I'm Vikas. I'm Vikas. I'm here. Okay. This is Vikas. I'm here. VIKS. Okay. And I have a README file in my machine. Okay. Correct. I have a README file. Now what exactly it is? At this point, I'm checking status. Git status. At this point, I'm checking the status status. Sorry, status. I'm checking the status and it is telling he's not able to understand this readme file. Something is coming into the red color. Correct? Something is coming into the red color. He is telling I don't know what is this red file. Okay, because you have not informed to the Git. So what I'm doing it, okay, I'm especially telling this is my file. So I'm telling git add, okay, and the file name, okay, and I'm putting the file name here, okay, git add file name. Now what will happen? I added the file. Okay, as soon as I added the file, I'm checking the status again. Now it is telling new file readme has been came. I inform to the Git that one file I'm adding it with the command number add. Got it? Yes, no?
Yes, Vikas.
Okay. Git status. I checked it or something in the red color it was coming. Okay, something in red it was coming. Okay. Now after I'm checking it, now it is coming into the green color. Guys, you are able to understand all the steps.
Yes.
Everyone clear till now? Line number 10. Guys, please confirm yes, no. Please confirm yes, no into the chat box.
Yes.
Please. Okay. Now my requirement is I have a code. This is my code. I want to push this code into the centralized location. That is my requirement. Okay, this code should go into the GitHub. That is my requirement. So what I'm doing it, I'm running the command git commit. As soon as I will run the git commit, what will happen? This code will be come into the staging area. Okay, I'm running the command git commit. -m is a message. This is the very first time I'm doing it. So I'm running the command git commit -m first commit. Okay, and I'm executing this command. Okay. And as soon as I press enter, what happened? My code, what this file, readme file, okay, this file is available in my local machine, plus this file has been came into my staging area because I run the command git commit. Got it?
Yes.
Yes, no.
Yes.
All good? Now
Yeah.
after commit,
Yes.
what is the next step? I have to run the git push and it will go into the centralized location. To run the git push, if I have to send any letter to anyone, I have to write the address. Correct? Yes or no? If I have to call to someone, I have to put his mobile number. Right? Yes or no? So what I'm doing it, I'm just putting the address. Okay, I'm telling that right now I'm into right now do into the main branch. Okay, just ignore this part at this point. Okay, tomorrow we will understand. Change the branch to main branch, and I'm telling that on this location, this is a location. I'm adding this location because this is the location of my this place. Okay, my location address is this. I want to push the code into this Vikas for Cloud Batch-37 location. Okay, now I'm adding this location into my machine. Okay, git add. I'm adding this location. I added this location so that at least what happened, I get to know that okay, something like this location is available. Okay, now I have to run the git push command. I'm running the command git push into the main branch. Okay, git push into the main branch. Yes, can I run this command? Can I run this push command? Git push. Can I have your yes, please?
Yes.
Only one yes. What about others?
Yes.
Right? Everyone yes? Everyone yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now I'm pushing it to the main branch. Okay. What is branch and all these things we will discuss. No need to worry. But I'm pushing it. As soon as I push it, git push, something has been pushed. Okay. Something has been gone. Means what exactly happened? This file from staging area has been cut and has been pushed into this place. Because
Main
can we
place.
verify? Can we verify? Yes. Currently it was showing like this. I'm duplicating it. Okay. As soon as I duplicated it, yes, my file has been came into the it.
But Vikas, is staging area the same as local repo?
Staging area, we will not able to see anything. This is just the activity area which Git is managing it. Okay, we will not able to see this area. It will be in our local machine only, but
Okay.
Git is managing this area.
Okay.
Okay, means you are sending a letter to the post office, right? And post office will manage it. He will send it somewhere, right? So this is a
Yeah.
staging area where you can't do any changes. You can't do any changes into this staging area.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Right, that's it.
Mhm.
That's it. Okay, nothing else. Okay, you just tell me out of this 5 command, which command have you understood? The line number 6 command, echo, creating a file, initialization, the git repo. After initialization, I'm just checking the status. It is telling that I don't know this file. Correct. After that, I told, okay, add this file. So he added. And now I check the status. He will say that, okay, I know this file. Git knows this file. Correct. All good till now. Line number 10. Yes, no?
Mhm.
Yes.
Everyone, any question till line number 10? Any question, guys?
Nope.
Anyone else?
Initially,
So that
when you ran the
readme.md is empty file or
It's an empty file. At this point, empty file. At this point, empty file. Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow we will write a code. Tomorrow I will take a Java code and do it. Just I'm explaining you basics of Git, how the code has to be get pushed. Simple file. Okay. Tomorrow we will make it complicated, but today is very simple. Okay. Next, I run the git commit command. Okay. As soon as I run the commit command, means from local machine, the code came to the staging area. Clear? -m belong to the message. This is my first time I'm doing it. Okay. Next is git main branch. Okay. Why I did this change? Because if you will see my code, earlier I was into the master branch. As you will get confused. What is master? What is main? Okay. So just understand that earlier I was into the master branch. I have changed myself from master branch to the main branch. Got it?
Yeah.
Got it.
Okay. Because of this command, I will write it here. MAST master to main. It has been changed. That's it. Branch has been changed. Okay. Now I'm adding the local repository. This is a single command. Okay. This is a single command. Okay. This is a single command. I'm telling that my remote location is this and push to the remote location. That's it. Git push. And I run the git push command and the code has been pushed into the central location.
master means staging environment
Master means main branch. Master is at this location. Okay.
and main is
Main and master both are same at this point. Okay.
okay, both are
Both
same.
at this point. Okay. We will make the difference in the next class. Okay. Tomorrow class. Cool.
Yes.
Vikas, can you put those code in the chat?
Which command? This commands?
No, all those, yeah, all these ones, yeah.
This command? Okay. I don't want you to use my commands. Okay. I want you to generate your own commands. Okay. Guys,
Okay.
what you have to do it. Chalo, everyone, create your own repo. Okay. I will teach you 2 ways to create a repo. One is simple way, one is this way. Okay. First, let's go with the simple way. Okay. Click on this double click, come into the home page. Okay. GitHub/dashboard. Came into this place, everyone.
Yep.
Create your first repo. Click on the new. My first repo. My FIRST-REPO. My first repo. From UI. So I'm typing UI. Okay. This is UI, right? This is UI. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. My first repo, UI. Okay. And public. Yes. And click on this button. Add readme file. Automatically he will edit.
Okay.
Automatically he will edit. Okay. If you will select this option, automatically he will edit and just click on the create repository and repository has been created. My first repo has been created. Guys, created your first repo?
Yes.
Confirm?
Mhm.
Confirm?
Yes.
Yes.
That's it. Your first repo has been created with UI. Okay. Means you have not pushed your code from your machine directly from the UI. You have created this. Okay. Now, second approach. Okay. My first approach, repo, create repo from UI. Okay. Now, second approach, create repo and push code from LOCATIO local MSCHIN. Guys, there is a difference. Okay. This is first we did it. Okay. We are done. Okay. Second, we are doing this. Okay. Now what you have to do it, create a repo. I'm again creating a repo. Go to the home. Okay. Create a new button. My second repo, my second REP repo from CLI command line. Correct? Yes, no.
Yes.
Yes. So
Right? My second repo from CLI. Public, don't select this option. Don't select this option. Okay? And click on the create repository.
why don't you select that option?
If you will select it, it will be, everything will be get created from the UI itself. Okay? I want to do it with the command line. So don't select this option. Click on the create repository. Okay? And as soon as you click on the create repository, all the commands will be get created for you.
Okay.
Just copy this commands.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
I don't want any dependency on me. You have to generate your commands, everything. Right? I will give everything in PPT. No need to worry. Okay? But you have to understand everything by own because you are a developer. Right?
Yeah.
Yes,
Take
sir.
the feeling of developer. You are not writing a code. You are not writing a code. You don't have to write the code, but management of the code. That's it. You guys agree with my point?
Yeah.
At
Sir,
this,
I have one doubt.
Yes.
one second, Vishnu, 1 second. Guys, we can't write the code. That's okay, acceptable. But we can manage the code. We can play with the code. Are you agree?
Right.
Right? I don't want you to write the code, but at least understand, take the feeling how developer, instead of writing the code, everything I will teach you. Okay? Or even I will teach you how to write a code also. Okay, that will be your extra 2 hours 5 lakh extra package. That's it. But as a DevOps engineer, you don't have to worry about the coding, but it will be extra for you. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, go ahead, Vishnu. What's your question?
Sir, like if, for example, if by mistaken this file we have marked like you just said, no, in the second repo we don't have to select readme.md file.
You can recreate again, yeah. What's the problem? Correct? Yes or no? You can recreate. This is your own environment. You can try testing, play, whatever you want.
So if by mistaken we have selected for the second repo and if we want to delete this readme.md file, then how can we delete
No, create a new one. At this point, create a new one. Okay, create a third repo. Okay?
No, this is for the other repository also, like
we will do it tomorrow.
how
We
will
will do it.
delete?
Vishnu,
Okay.
we will do it tomorrow. Okay. Actually, see, it's a very scratch work. We are doing very scratch work. Correct? Yes or no?
Yep.
Vishnu, second
Yes.
thing.
Yes.
Second thing. Okay, second point. I will tell you. Okay. Only for your answer. Okay. So refresh. GitHub. Batch-37 we created. Batch-37. See, at the end, both will be same only. One is CI approach, one is CLI approach, another is a command, one is UI approach and another is a CLI approach. At the end, though, we will get both the things as the same. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right, so no need to worry. At the end, it will be same only. Okay, just as an initialization, I don't want you to give the command from my side. I want the command to be get generated by yourself. That's why I'm teaching this approach.
Okay.
Okay,
No,
because
because
this
sir, in 21 na, I have created some repo like HTML, CSS. So I want to delete all that. So
we will
I am
delete it.
not able to see.
I will teach delete and all these things. Okay, I will teach delete and all these things tomorrow. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, guys, that's it for today. How was the session? You are able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
You are
Yeah,
getting the
very.
feeling. You are getting the feeling of development.
Little.
Yes. Yeah, I mean, this session was very detailed. Little
Correct.
things that we didn't know, Now I came to know about
Yeah,
them.
okay, this is just a basic, guys. We have just 15% we have did it. Okay, still 85% is pending. Okay, what is pending? First, though, I only did the push the code. I will add you also into the same repository and we will push the code. Okay, which we will do tomorrow. Okay, and after that, we have to understand the basic commands. I will teach that tomorrow. I will teach the basic commands of Git. Okay, these are the very popular basic commands of the Git, which I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, after that, we will understand pull, force, git force, hard, revert, so many operations of Git. Okay, and then what exactly the branch is, what is master branch, your work, someone else work. Okay, some git branching related commands I will teach to you. Okay, how the git flow work, how the developer work into the real time, what is pull request, what is the difference between main and master. Okay, right, which you have asked it, right? So I will explain that also. What you have to keep remember, how exactly the git clone works. Git clone directly code from to here. Okay, check out, add, commit, push, so many things I will teach it to you. Okay, in the upcoming classes. Okay, clear? Good, guys. How was the today's class? How much you are able to understand? 100% able to digest?
Yeah.
Yes.
100%?
Get the recordings, sir.
You will get the recording. I will give the recording. Okay, I will give.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. What else? Anyone else? Any other question? And Hitesh, you are telling how to get the LMS access here. Hitesh, as you are already a registered member, I want you to guys, come to the website. There is an enroll now button is coming. Okay, whoever is not yet registered member, come to the website. Okay, come to the website. Hitesh, especially you. Okay, click on this enroll now button and just click on this 0 rupees button. Okay, click on this 0 rupees button and give me your email ID. Hitesh, got it? Hitesh, you are here. Hey, Hitesh, you have already paid the fees, so why you are worried? You have all the access. You can just click on the dashboard. You can just click on the dashboard and you will able to see this course like this. You will able to see this course like this. This is the course, Batch-37. Okay, you have the full access, everything. Hitesh, better you can share your screen. Hitesh, if you want, you can share your screen. I will help you out right away.
Yeah.
Please. Hitesh, you have already the full access. You don't have to worry. Hitesh, share your screen. Yep. Hitesh, no need to do anything. You have to log in. First, log in into the website. Log in with your email ID. Log in to the website. www.clouddevopshub.com. Correct. Login. Yes. Click on the login. Login. Login button is coming. Login button. Right side top corner. Right side corner. Login. Yes. Whatever the email ID you have used, login with your email ID. No, I don't know. No need to show the password. Click on the next. Click on the next. And no need to show the password. Yes. Provide your correct password. Ritesh, as soon as you will log in to the website, you will able to see everything. Okay?
Right. But I have to generate a password.
It's your email ID password, buddy. Whatever is your email ID password, just put that.
Gmail password.
Gmail password, yes.
Okay. Right.
We don't have any separate password. Your Gmail password is the same password you can use.
Okay.
And I'm stopping the recording. Okay. Hitesh, I think your password is getting wrong. And guys, whoever is not yet registered member, if you like the session, if you want to continue, you want to learn with me in the same batch, then from wherever you get the message, okay, there is the group admin will be there. Just connect with me, okay? Or I'm giving my mobile number into the chat box. Whoever is not yet registered member, 993445100, just send me a message on this number, please. Okay. So that we will help you out for the enrollment.
Okay, sir, I will check it.
Cool. Okay, Hitesh, but by the way, you have full access. You don't have to worry. Okay.
Okay, okay, yeah, yeah.
Cool. If you are not able to access anything, just send me the screenshot, whatever the error you are getting. But this error you have to solve it by own. Okay?
Yeah, sure, yeah.
Cool. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Guys, how was the session? Anyone who is not able to understand any question from the today's session? Any question? Sarvesh, Ajay,
Good, sir.
Amit,
Good.
all good?
Yes,
Full
yes.
digestible? 100% digestible?
100%.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
If by any reason you miss something by your internet issue or whatever it is, just see the recording. Okay. The recording will be available in the next 20 minutes in the LMS system, and I will give the recording link also in the group. Okay. Cool. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thanks.
And this PPT will also be available by today. Okay. In the next 20 minutes, it will be available in the LMS system. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.